floppy disk, my dude.
Like,
I 3D printed a save icon, actually.
Bro.
This is original. Look at that, ready?
Let's just go ahead and, not one,
Woo!
not two, but three.
You're putting me on the spot, Dan. How's my hair look? Does it look good? You gonna make YouTube happy? How's my beard look? All right.
Is that his power? Country music makes him work?
Yeah, that's it. Especially on a Friday. You know we don't play country on Friday. If there's country playing on Friday, you know what time it is.
You better know what time it is.
It's 2:42.
Yeah, more tuning.
That's on cam only?
Didn't take exhaust and cam. But from before to now, the only thing we changed was the cam. Supposed to be a max effort VVT cam.
Time has finally come where I get to put my nice new AEM ECU in this bitch. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dan Wilkes. I do all the camera work for Pure Fab on the YouTube and basically all the graphic design work and stuff like that. But this is my 2006 Evo 9. So what we did is we put this car up on the lift, we pulled the wideband, the old Yugo wideband sensor for the AEM gauge I have inside the car out because I let it sit for like a week at an airport parking lot one time and then it just decided to not function anymore. So I've been rolling around with that for a while. Luckily it didn't have anything to do with my ECU because I'm on stock ECU at the moment. So with what we're doing today, which is swapping to the AEM V1 standalone ECU, we're swapping for the AEM AEM 5-bar map sensor with the adapter for the stock Evo 9 manifold. And I mean, I got all the adapters and stuff, so theoretically it should all work. All this car has to literally pull what your map pressures are out of the intake manifold. That tiny, tiny little pinhole. I mean, it works, but it seems excessively small. Interesting.
cute.
All right, guys, have a good one. We'll see you next time.